Hey everybody, Keith Worral with Outdoors First. Out on the ice, targeting pike and bass today. Right now I've got the aquifer view down and I'm actually watching bluegill swim by. But what this war pig does that I've got on, it's bring it up, rattle bait. You can hear that rattle in there. Now you put that down and rip it around, the bluegills come in on it pretty hot, so if you've got another rod set up for them, you can get into them. But like I was saying, I'm targeting bass and pike, so I'm not really doing a lot of pan fishing. And I've got a fairly stiff Ebu Garcia volatile ice rod with a Torrent. It's made by Piscifun. And there's bluegills down there. They're just coming into this thing hot. I get a few questions on what kind of reels you might want to use for jigging for pike, and this kind of a setup is gonna be good for bigger fish. I can handle a big fish. If I feel like fishing trout, I can go after them with this. The Torrent holds enough line. It's got 7:1 gear ratio, and when you hit them, obviously the drag on a bait casting reel in the wintertime, you crank that thing down to the point where you can pull it out by hand, you're going to be good to go. One of the really nice things about using a bait caster versus a spinning reel, with the Torrent here, I can open the bail, watch the lure go down, click it over. When I'm working that column, click the bail, let the lure go down, reel, click the bail, let the lure go down. By doing that, I'm working that whole column and I'm not having to use my hand to constantly open up like a spinning reel. Bait casting reels really make this a lot easier and gives you the ability to work the column a lot faster than you can with a spinning rod.
Let's get some big ones, man.
All I gotta do now is just stick another fish. I got some bass on this one earlier, and I'm hoping for a big pike today.